strawberry. Lemon.
Hey everybody! We're here. What are we making?
Krispie treats.
I'm Ruth Angelina and this is
Dylan.
And we are getting ready for Valentine's Day, so we are doing lots of cool treats. And Dylan, what do you want to be when you grow up?
A chef.
He wants to be a chef. So he's been my super helper in the kitchen, and any little treats that I think will be a good idea for him to learn to make, I kind of have him help me in the kitchen. So we're making Rice Krispie treats. All right, let's get started, okay?
Yeah. So first we put this.
What is this?
Marshmallows. First
We're gonna need marshmallows, or we're gonna need what?
butter.
Butter and rice cereal, right? And we're gonna make it a little bit special because we're gonna add these Cheerios that have little heart shapes on it, and they're chocolate,
Then
right?
we add candy.
And then we're gonna put some candy because Valentine's is all about the candy and the kisses. All right, so let's get started.
Yeah.
Okay, first we're going to have to heat up the butter in the pan. But this is something, can you play with fire? No, you gotta be very careful. So mommy has to do this part.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna melt a 1/4 cup of butter in the pan, and then we'll add our marshmallows to melt inside, and then we'll incorporate and mix everything in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get to that. So here it is, the marshmallow all melted with the butter. I am going to put this pot thing. Be careful because the pot is super, super hot, okay? Let's not touch it with our fingers, okay? It's still a little hot. Now, we're gonna put the rice cereal in there. Let me get a measuring cup here. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, can you pour it in here first? Okay. And then put it in there. Yep. Okay, so that's
Now we
2. And you put it in? 2. Okay. Mix it up. Whoa.
Yeah.
Look at all that.
Yummy.
And we also have some sprinkles.
Yeah, and candy.
And candy. That makes it really, really, really good.
You got pony candy.
It's unicorn, right? Unicorn.
Yeah.
And we have 2 pieces of parchment paper. So I'm gonna put 1 piece of parchment paper. You can either use a spray or just butter itself. I happen to have the butter right here, so I'm just gonna butter it. And I feel like it's easier when you have the butter stick. And now I'm gonna take this and put it in here.
Yeah.
Make sure everything is nice and mixed.
It's a little bit hot.
It's warm, yeah, it's warm.
Let's get this candy.
Ah, sticky.
Yes.
Okay, usually I do spray my utensils when I'm doing Rice Krispie treats because then it won't stick to the utensil and it will slide right off. But I forgot because I'm trying to do too many things at the same time. Okay, so butter the next sheet of parchment. I'm gonna put some hearts. Yeah, you can taste it. Then I'll put some of these. And then those will do last, okay? Okay, so this is what I do. I just put it on the sheet pan, you can see. And then the other one that's buttered, I put it right on top and I start squishing it in there to get the shape. And that way I don't dirty my hands. You can also take a rolling pin and roll it if you have one that's feel like it's flattening out. You can see. Yeah, you like that.
This is blueberry.
I had to go and get a rolling pin. I couldn't find my small one, but you can also do it with like a jar. And just, all you want to do, you want to make sure that your jars are closed. But all that you want to do is make sure that the marshmallow concoction with the Rice Krispie like meets all the spaces. Okay. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's see if we got it.
Now let's put it.
Now we're gonna put some candy. We're gonna just put it right in there, right?
Yeah.
You can put it right in there.
Right in there.
I'm doing it this way because we can control a little better how much we're gonna put in there.
Right in there.
So cool, right? So with your pizza cutter, well, actually we have to put this in the fridge first. Okay, so it could get nice and hard.
Yeah.
And then we'll cut it with our pizza cutter and put it on where we're gonna put it on our special Valentine's Day display and treats, right?
We're not done.
Okay, we're not done. Okay, we're gonna put this in the fridge for a little bit so it can get hard. You can also put it in the freezer if you are pressed for time and you want it quicker. And then you can have your little treats.
Yeah.
So let's do that, and then we'll come back and show everybody the final result, right? What are you doing?
It's ready.
It's ready, but you're eating it. He cut them up irregular, but that's okay, right? We were gonna cut them up with this, but he just started breaking it. So show me how you did it. You're just breaking it up like that?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we can put them on the plate. Can you put them on the plate?
I'm still hungry.
You're hungry?
Yeah.
There it is. All right, that's it. Wait, come on over. What are we gonna say?
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little short video, right?
Yeah.
All right. What are you gonna tell everybody that they should what?
They should make these.
You should make these. All right. See you next time, everybody. Bye.